Enabling sound while recording FaceTime on screen.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this video, we will discuss whether there is a setting that needs to be changed to enable sound while recording FaceTime on your screen. FaceTime is a popular video calling application for Apple devices, and sometimes you may want to record your FaceTime calls along with the audio. So, let's find out if there are any specific settings you need to adjust to make that happen.
Checking the system audio settings.
The first thing you need to do is check your system audio settings. Make sure that your device's audio is not muted or set to a low volume. If the audio is muted or too low, you won't be able to capture the sound during the FaceTime call recording. To check your audio settings on iOS devices, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the control center. Then, look for the volume slider and ensure it is set to an appropriate level. On macOS, you can adjust the system audio by clicking on the speaker icon in the menu bar and adjusting the volume slider.
Using a screen recording app.
If you are using an iOS device, you can utilize the built-in screen recording feature to capture FaceTime calls with sound. No specific settings need to be changed within FaceTime itself. To enable screen recording, follow these steps. 1. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner, iPhone 10 or later, or swiping up from the bottom, iPhone 8 or earlier. 2. Locate the screen recording button, which looks like a circle within a circle. 3. Press and hold the screen recording button. 4. In the pop-up menu, tap on Microphone Audio to enable audio recording. 5. Tap on Start Recording to begin capturing your screen along with the FaceTime audio. Remember to grant the necessary permissions when prompted to allow screen recording and microphone access.
Third-party screen recording software, macOS.
If you're using a Mac, there are several third-party screen recording software options available that can capture both the video and audio of your FaceTime calls. These applications offer more advanced features and flexibility compared to the built-in screen recording feature. One popular screen recording software for macOS is ScreenFlow, which allows you to record FaceTime calls with sound effortlessly. Other options include Camtasia and OBS Studio. These applications usually provide detailed instructions on how to set up audio recording alongside screen capture. Please note that the availability and functionality of third-party screen recording software may vary, so make sure to choose a reliable and compatible application based on your specific needs. In conclusion, to enable sound while recording FaceTime on your screen, you primarily need to ensure that your device's audio is not muted or set to a low volume. On iOS devices, you can use the built-in screen recording feature, while on macOS, you have the option to use third-party screen recording software for more advanced capabilities. Now you should be able to record your FaceTime calls with audio effortlessly. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any further questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.